So after discussing concave mirror and convex mirror, there is some important terms which is related to the spherical mirror. The first term is center of curvature. Center of curvature which is represented as C. What is center of curvature? How can we define? It is center of curvature of the mirror, or we can say it is the center of sphere of which the mirror is a part. That means we know that whatever the concave mirror or convex mirror, if we taking here a concave mirror, this concave mirror must be the part of some spherical mirror, and it must have some center. So this center is termed as center of curvature. This curvature center, that is center of this curvature. Curvature is the part. This curvature which is behave as a concave mirror or convex mirror, which is part of some spherical mirror, the center of this is called center of curvature. That is represented as C. And one more very important point is that about the center of curvature, you may also say that the line joining, the normal, when we draw a normal on the spherical mirror, the normal draw on the spherical mirror just like this, if it is passed, the normal draw must be passes through the center of curvature. Always remember that the normal in a concave mirror or convex mirrors always passes through the center of curvature. Now the second term is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature, that is R. So radius, as an you know that what is the radius of any sphere of which the mirror is a part. We know that whatever the mirror, this spherical mirror must have some radius from its center. It must have some radius. So here the radius curvature is what? It is the radius of spherical mirror of which given mirror is a part, or you may say the radius of a sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part, called the radius of curvature of the mirror. So you may say, if we just taken a concave mirror again, this is the part of the spherical mirror. We know that this concave mirror is part. The distance from the center of curvature, from its the point of circumference of perimeter or circumference of the spherical mirror, the distance is called radius. You know all about the radius. Now the next point is about pole. Pole, that is P. Pole of concave mirror or convex mirror is what? The curvature. We know that the concave mirror and convex mirror is the curvature part of the spherical mirror. If we take a concave mirror, the midpoint of this curvature, is termed as pole, P. Or if we talk about the convex mirror, this one, the midpoint of this curvature, if the size of this, the midpoint is termed as P, that is pole. So you may also define it like, that is the geometric center of the spherical surface of mirror is called the pole of the mirror, the geometrical center, or you may say the curvature, the curved part, the midpoint is termed as pole.